Hey there, future expats and adventure seekers. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey to one of the most beautiful and progressive countries in the world? Are you dreaming of the pristine landscapes, the serene lakes, and the progressive culture of Sweden? Imagine yourself walking through the picturesque streets, enjoying the vibrant culture, and being part of a society that values innovation and sustainability. Well, before you pack your bags and book your flight, let's dive into the essentials of migrating to Sweden for work. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to make your move as smooth as possible. Ready? Let's get started. First up, a huge shout out to Relocation Guru, the channel that makes your relocation dreams a breeze. They provide invaluable resources and support to help you navigate the complexities of moving to a new country. Don't forget to check them out for more insightful tips and guides. Their expertise can be a game changer in your relocation journey. Okay, diving right in. Moving to Sweden for work primarily revolves around securing a work permit. This is a crucial step that can determine the success of your move. Now, this might sound daunting, but with the right information and possibly the assistance of a savvy relocation firm, it's totally manageable. These firms can provide you with the guidance and support you need to navigate the process with ease. Step 1. Secure a job offer. This is the foundation of your work permit application. Yes, before you can apply for the permit, you need to have a job waiting for you in Sweden. This job must meet certain criteria to qualify for a work permit. This job must pay you enough to cover your living costs and should ideally be in your field of expertise. Next, gather your documents. This includes your passport, proof of your job offer, and evidence of your educational qualifications and work experience. Make sure all these documents are up to date and accurate. This is a crucial step to ensure your application is processed smoothly. Now here's a golden tip. Consider using a relocation firm. These experts not only help streamline the application process, but also ensure that all paperwork is flawlessly prepared, which can significantly boost your chances of approval. These firms can also provide additional services such as finding accommodation, helping with language courses, and offering cultural orientation sessions to help you settle in Sweden. Once you've submitted your application, patience is key. The processing time can vary, but usually it takes 2 to 3 months. During this period, it's important to stay calm and be patient. It's a good idea to use this time to prepare for your move, such as learning the language, understanding the culture, and planning your accommodation. During this period, stay in touch with your employer in Sweden and your relocation consultant to keep tabs on the progress. Regular communication can help you stay informed and address any issues that may arise. And once approved, voila, you're all set to start your new life in Sweden. This is the moment you've been waiting for, and it's time to celebrate your new beginning. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Share this video with anyone who dreams of working in Sweden, and subscribe to stay updated with more useful guides and tips. Your journey can inspire others to take the leap and follow their dreams. Thanks for watching, and here's to making your Swedish dreams come true. We wish you all the best in your new adventure and hope you find success and happiness in Sweden.